Ooh!
I'm a woman.
Okay.
I want to show you guys what I thrifted.
Probably single now.
$6.89. This is local. You can just do this.
Which flavor? Full?
Yeah. Should we just get this?
Yeah.
This is £1. It's so cheap here.
Oh.
15, 12.
Let's do the $12.
Excuse me while I walk to our car. Just kidding. We've been awake. Edward's been working or playing chess.
What is the one for today? Hill repeats. So 1 minute conversational pace. Run to the base of the hill. 60 seconds of running hard uphill. 30 seconds rest. Easy jog down. We do it 8 times.
What kind of tea?
Our first cold run. Look at my car. Makes sense now why my headlights couldn't see much. Have our 1 mile warm up in this beautiful weather. It's actually really nice when in the warmth of the sun. We got some hill runs today. If you live in Maine and you don't have a Subaru, you're doing something wrong. I counted 6 Subarus on the same street. 7 Subarus. 8. Frick. Hill number 3. Doesn't look like much, but pretty slight hill. This is hill number 6.
Yeah.
Nice. There we go. Push, push.
Lap 18 complete in 1 minute.
There we go. Past the car. You got it.
Wow. Oh my gosh.
Did you make it to the benches?
Yes. Wow. Cheese. Cheese.
Cheers.
It's very bright.
Wow. 10 out of 10.
Really?
I could eat this one.
How's your lobster roll, guys?
It was good.
Good.
Thank you.
Yeah.
I like the lemoniness at the ends. Incredible. What would you give it?
It's like 9.
Okay, so you're saying it's trash? I think it's different.
Or crusty. Delicious.
Alright, this one is Arcadian Petite. Ooh, that one was really good.
It tastes a little bit more bitter, but not in a bad way.
Maybe that's why I like it.
You're feeling saltman.
Ooh, I think that was my favorite stuff. It keeps getting better. I don't know why, it keeps getting better. I like saltman.
I think this one might still be my favorite. The first one. It's the airplane from Brunswick.
It's weird angle.
There's
I don't know if I'm a fan of that.
what's this?
Wave Rider.
Wave Rider.
Sandwich too. And then I'll bring over the side plates, okay?
Thank you.
Yeah.
Ooh. That was good.
There's a little bit of an aftertaste. None such.
Yeah, go ahead, please. Well, if you want 54,
Salt wind from the Mariscata wins the game for me.
Come on, there was a sweetness to that one. Oh, it's this.
Solid.
Fish. Our views have just been our laptops. My view has also been cooking. We're about to go play in the snow. But I can show you what we've got going on. Not Stacy's mom.
So close.
Right now we have potatoes. Oh, that's hot. Get ready to with it.
You're calling a twit.
Get ready with us to play in the snow. Build a snowman. What else are we doing? Got the socks, the gloves, the boots. Let's go outside.
Gotta start with the base. We're building the biggest snowman this state has ever seen. This
Just press it to oh.
it's gone. It. The snowman. Slip. No. Help me make a really perfect butt mark. Okay, let's go. What is perfect? Your face?
Yeah, I'm gonna stick my face in there.
It has to be like right there.
Oh! Your turn.
What the?
That was an experience.
Where do I put it?
Oh, put it right next to mine.
Ow!
It's great.
Oh man.
Look at our faces. Okay, before we go in, I want you to see our view. Alright, now it's time to work out. Get unready with us.
Hi guys! I'm making tomato soup!
How much chicken do we want? 5?
Yeah, 5 is enough.
Should we do 6?
6 is good.
7?
7 is good.
8?
8's good.
9?
I also enjoy the number 9.
Away from the chicken.
Plates, I'll keep over here.
You wanna help me cut?
Yeah.
Oh, watch out. This should not be this close. Ow!
You okay?
Just kidding.
Don't do that. What the?
Not done.
Today is February 25th. Gabriel's birthday. What is one memory that you remember?
We made a band, and we were called the Spotlight Spitoffs because she was the drummer.
Does she know how to play drums?
She was learning at the time, and then I was either the singer or someone else, so it was just a singer and a drummer. Or maybe right now.
Let me know when.
Oh, that's enough.
I'm gonna cut the I think the cork is frozen.
Dear Father in heaven, please bless this food and thank you for everything you've done for us. Would you bless those who need it? I pray, amen. Oof.
Very good. I need some salt, please. So zdrowie.
Sorghum gotuję.
I enjoyed today's dinner. This is all you need in life. Potatoes, chicken, and wine.
And it was my last day as a... I'm ready to move here.